Today, we've got the family-friendly neighborhood, the mature trees, the schools, and the parks.
We've got fantastic proximity to all your daily conveniences, from grocery to gas to the local shops and restaurants.
And boy, do we ever have your backyard oasis.
All that and more on today's episode. So Brandon, I hear the waves crashing, I hear the kids laughing. We are back in one of our favorite neighborhoods in all of Barrie. Why don't you tell everyone where we are today?
That's right, Adam. We're here in Barrie's coveted East End, and we are standing here right now on the North Shore Trail, which is just a short section of the longer Oro Rail Trail that takes you right from downtown Barrie all the way up into Aurelia. And just below us here, you're bang on. We got the waves crashing here at Johnson's Beach. This is all just steps away from our newest listing. The East End of Barrie is known for its recreation like we have here. This trail, you can hike, you can bike, you can cross-country ski in the wintertime, whatever it is that you're into. Then of course, we've got proximity to Barrie's phenomenal downtown core, where we've got some incredible shops and restaurants down there. And if you're looking for more of the big box stuff, we're talking grocery, pharmacy, gas, LCBO, all you have to do is just head up the road. We're just 5 minutes away from North Barrie Crossing. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than that.
Yeah, that's right, Brennan. The location is absolutely AAA. Again, you mentioned it, all your daily conveniences right at your fingertips. Plus, we have terrific access to 3 schools. That's right, 3 within walking distance of us. And they're some of the best in Barrie, which is fantastic. But we haven't even touched on the home yet. We have a classic East End beauty here that has plenty of cosmetic and mechanical improvements to it. And it starts with the curb appeal, right? You have the white brick exterior now with the black accents. It's absolutely beautiful. And we got 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and like I said before, plenty of cosmetic and mechanical improvements to this one. Let's get inside and take a look at our newest listing. This is 122 Steele Street.
Welcome inside 122 Steele Street. Now, all of that charm and character that we love outside in the East End part of Barrie continues right through the front door of this magnificent home. You are greeted by these gorgeous hardwood floors that have been recently resealed, so they are set to go for many years to come. We've got original moldings throughout this entire home, as well as a stunning bay window, just framing in those beautiful mature trees out front. And of course, who doesn't love a wood-burning fireplace? You cannot get those anymore. Perfect for those cold winter nights, and you are going to love just relaxing in front of this fireplace, because a lot of the big ticket items in this home have been taken care of as well. I'm talking like the driveway out front, just a few years old. We've got a newer AC as well as a hot water tank, which acts as the boiler system to heat this home as well. Many cosmetic updates like countertops and appliances in that kitchen. And the list just goes on and on throughout this fantastic home. Let's see what Adam's got going on up on the second level.
Welcome upstairs into the second level. Now, one of the things I love most about the layout of a side split is that you're never too far away from anything. Just 4 or 5 steps up brings you into this second level here, where you're gonna find 3 terrific sized bedrooms, including the oversized primary that I'm standing in right now. Now, if you're asking yourself, is it large enough to fit a king size bed with end tables? The answer here is yes, so you can check that box for sure. We have plenty of cosmetic updates on this level, including a beautifully updated 4-piece bath with slate tile floor. Now, let's go find Brendan to check out more of this beautiful home.
Down here in the lower level now, and as Adam alluded to upstairs, the best part about these side splits is that you are just a short couple steps away from each of these levels. So as you can see down here, it doesn't feel like a lower level whatsoever, with these massive picture windows allowing tons of natural light to flood into this space. And in here, we've got a phenomenal rec space, whether it's just kicking back and relaxing for a movie with the family, setting up the home office, or a playroom for the kids, but that's not it. We've got another full, generous size bedroom here, as well as a 2-piece bath. All of the flooring on this level has been recently replaced, so you just have to step in here and enjoy. And over and above that, we have got a 4th unfinished level here as well, with full ceiling heights, so it is a perfect space to continue adding on to the finished parts of this home, whether you're looking to add a couple more bedrooms, perhaps add a kitchen so that you can have a separate apartment down here. for those older children or maybe some multi-generational living, this house sets up perfectly for that.
Now, no great home is complete without some terrific outdoor entertaining space, and I can promise you that this one certainly does not disappoint. We have a 60-foot wide by 120-foot deep lot here, and it packs a punch when it comes to entertainment value. It's fully fenced, which has just been updated recently, and you have this absolutely incredible heated in-ground pool where the heater has just been updated recently, as well as the liner, so nothing to do there. Now, the beauty of this one is that, again, because you have that 60-foot width and 120 feet of depth, is that the pool, even at this size, does not take up the entire yard. You have plenty of table land for a garden, sitting area, outdoor dining, and entertainment for the kids as well. Your family's gonna love this yard.
You are not kidding, Adam. There is just so much space in this backyard to enjoy, whether it's the kids or your guests. You could entertain back here like kings and queens. Now again, you can just kick back and relax in this space, not having to worry about a thing with this home, because again, we have got an updated driveway just a few years old. We have got updated mechanicals like the boiler and hot water tank, as well as the AC, just a few years old. We've got everything with the pool, just a few years old, and tons of cosmetic updates through the kitchen, as well as all the flooring and the bathrooms in this home. So all you have to do is kick back and relax. The neighborhood is fantastic. We have the schools, we have the amenities, we have the location that you want here in Barrie's East End. Now, we are the Knowles Woolsey team. We know Barrie. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.